Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the strap or securing the watch so you can access the back. Use a case opener or thin blade at the seam and lift gently. You want to avoid gouging the case. Once the back pops or unscrews, make sure to note the orientation of the old cell that tells you polarity. Place tiny screws and parts in a small container because losing a spring or screw is the most common delay. Now focus on the battery retainer. Carefully lift or unscrew the clip that holds the cell. Use plastic tweezers or a wooden toothpick to pry the cell free. Metal tools can short the contacts and ruin the movement. Once out, compare the new cell size and voltage to the old one so you get the correct replacement. Clean the contact pads with a cotton swab and a bit of isopropyl. Good contact equals insert the new cell in the same orientation as the old one. You should feel its seat under the clip. Once the retainer is secured, gently close the back, screw it or press it with even pressure. Make sure the gasket is seated to maintain water resistance. Test the watch by setting the crown and watching the second hand for movement. If it does not run, reopen and confirm contact alignment and polarity. That single reverse cell is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.